In the face of breast cancer, Miss Vida Arciaga found beauty in every battle. This is her story.
My name is Vida Candida S. Arciaga. Many people call me Miss V, especially in my professional community and in the school where I teach. But a lot of people who have personal connections with me, they call me Ate Vida or Nanay Vida. I'm a mother, I'm a teacher, a coach, and mentor. By profession, I'm a human resources and organization development practitioner and leader, and of course, a celebrated cancer survivor.
Could you tell us your breast cancer journey?
Let me just plug also, guys. Okay, I have my tote bags for breast cancer awareness this year. I have produced tote bags in black and white colors, 15 by 18 inches. So those tote bags were designed using my artwork. So if you're interested, please contact the APC site shop, and you can also directly send messages to me. Thank you so much.